Ila-livestream na sa susunod na linggo ang investigasyon ng Independent Commission for Infrastructure tungkol sa katiwalian sa flood control. Kasunod ito ng mga panawagan para sa transparency. Yan ang ulat ni Daniel Manalastas.
Marami nang pinaharap sa investigasyon ng Independent Commission for Infrastructure na pangunahing nag-iimbestiga ngayon sa anomalya sa flood control projects. Pero hindi bukas sa publiko ang aktwal na investigasyon kaya hindi maiwasang may ilang pagdududa. Pero tinuldukan na yan kanina nang humarap ang ICI sa pagdinig ng Senado hinggil sa panukalang batas na Infrastructure Anomalies Investigation Act of 2025. Dahil simula sa susunod na linggo,
we will now go on live stream next week. Once we get to be able to have the technical capability with us already. So again, I repeat, we'll be doing live stream next week.
Pero aminado si retired Justice Andres Reyes na mayroon din silang ilang pangangailangan sa ICI. Naglabas din si Reyes ang saloobin sa mga lumalabas sa kasulukuyan nilang investigasyon.
We don't have the facility and we don't have the rules of procedure, but we will already shorten the procedure in spite of no rules allowing us. Our creation needs more powers, more refinement. Again, I will just echo what you have said earlier, that this thing is outrageous and makes me cry that how can these people get away with 500 billion pesos? It's our inspiration to work hard.
Si dating DPWH Secretary Rogelio Singson na miyembro ng ICI, aminadong hindi rin makapaniwala sa mga lumalabas sa ginagawa nilang investigasyon at may napansin na problema sa legal process ng bansa.
After being in DPWH for 6 years, full 6 years, I could not believe what I was hearing in terms of the magnitude of the corruption. And I tried to analyze where did the system fail. It looked like it was all over. This is what we've learned so far. The legal process that we have to follow is so tedious. Bago po may makulong, ang haba ho ng proseso.
Pati mga senador may tuturing na welcome development ang pagla-livestream ng investigasyon.
People would like to know the facts of these cases and would like to be updated as to the developments and the progress of the investigation.
Para naman sa ilang business groups, bagamat naniniwala silang dapat isa publiko ang sesyon ng ICI, pero meron din daw dapat para sa confidential sessions na walang live stream.
Speaking as a former journalist, this can very easily turn into a circus. I mean, it already has in some cases. Okay? And, the accused are, they're entitled to due process. The ICI itself should have the authority to declare confidential sessions with no streaming or broadcast.
Di naman pinalagpas si Senate President Tito Soto na ungkatin sa pagdinig ang nangyaring sunog sa isang opisina sa DPWH sa Quezon City.
Ano ba naman doon?
This is actually Region 4, the Regional Office 4B of the DPWH. Dito po ang site ng testing materials ng DPWH ng mga suppliers like semento, mga bakal.
Wala mga dokumento ron?
Of course, meron po, Your Honor.
No.
So,
Testimony of witness Bryce Hernandez, there is 1% for the testing office of the DPWH, where voucher is 1%.
Para kay dating Senate President Franklin Drilon, dapat gawing urgent ang panukalang batas.
Why do I consider this measure as urgent? Mr. Chairman, I think it cannot be denied that our people today are angry. They are angry because of what they see to be the massive corruption in government.
Hihilingin din ng chairman ng komite na si Senator Kiko Pangilinan sa Pangulo na i-certify as urgent ang panukalang ito. Daniel Manalastas para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.